Hello everyone. Today it's a very interesting product here with us. You may ask why it's so special, that product for me. So it's been a long time since I wait for this laptop. I wait for it around 2.5 weeks. Even I have paid extra for 2 days delivery. Unfortunately, with this pandemic lockdowns, the deliveries are a little bit late, so nothing we can do about that. So what we have here, after a full week of searching for different laptops, the better choice for me for video creators, like content for YouTube and Facebook and on and on and on. So I was searching so many laptops to find the right, like the sweet spot between the graphic cards and the RAM and the power of it itself, with good cooling system, nice speakers, good screen, as I'm gonna film in 4K most of the times. So my desktop PC, unfortunately, it's a little bit old already, so it doesn't handle all the video editing and all that stuff. So what we have here, we're gonna unbox today. It's a Acer ConceptD 5 Pro. I have ordered Acer ConceptD 7 Pro, but unfortunately they respond me after nearly a week, as they don't have it in stock and was by mistake on the website of Acer, so they just say sorry and you can choose something else. So searching, I was swapped from one to another. I was thinking for ZenBook Duo and LG Gram was couple of them, choices, but at the end I stuck with this. And from ConceptD 7 Pro I was down to 5 Pro. So should work with Windows 10 Pro 64-bit processor. It's Intel 9th generation. It's i7 9750H. Video card from NVIDIA Quadro T1000, 4GB. It's a LCD display. It's IPS technology with 4K Ultra HD with a resolution of 3840 by 2160, so it's a 4K screen. That's gonna help us to work with our videos, which I shoot in 4K. It's have a 100% Adobe RGB color calibrated, so should be perfect for things which we're gonna do with video editing and all that stuff, with pictures and the color which we gonna see. We're gonna make sure they're gonna be the right colors with the right saturation and right contrast and all that stuff. So 16GB RAM, DDR4 with SD RAMs. Storage is have just one storage, just one SSD card in it, and it's for 1 TB, so should be enough for a while anyway. 2 speakers. We're gonna check the quality. I don't even have idea what the quality of them speakers. Should be okay. If they claim it's a laptop for creators, the ConceptD, all of them, like from ConceptD 3 Pro, 5 Pro, 7 Pro, now I think it's 9 and 9 Pro, something like that. It's cost over $6,000, so it's a little bit too expensive for us for now. I'd say this is gonna do the good job for us for first year, maybe 2, we're gonna see. And they claim gonna be approximately 6 hours battery life. I don't think that's gonna be 6 hours battery life if I'm gonna work in a, let's say, Premiere Pro with videos in 4K, and that's gonna drain the battery out, I'd say, in 3.5 hours. But all that we're gonna see. For the moment, we're gonna unbox that and have a look what's inside of this box, as I have got that box yesterday delivery, but I had to go to a birthday yesterday to one of my friends, so I just leave that for today. Just stay home, chill, and just make everything ready, So let's see what we have here. Oh, it's pretty heavy actually, you know. Oh, things like that. It's probably there should be the charger and battery and everything. Maybe that way. Let's go out. So it's pretty heavy, you know. Acer bro. Let's see. It's sealed. As you see, nobody opened that. If you think, you know, maybe I open and do the review or unboxing after. Let's see what is inside. So, you see it right there. Are we gonna remove this first? Oh. And another empty box. Plenty of them empty boxes. Don't have enough storage for all of them. So here, let's take everything out first. See this one here. Let's see it as I say. I edit all my videos on my desktop until today. It's always good to shoot in 4K, as you know, you can cut the frames when you go on Premiere Pro or in like any video editor. So I usually shoot in 4K, but I upload the video in Premiere Pro on 1920, so it's a full HD. Whereas if I throw a 4K videos on my desktop, it starts like blocking, and you have to restart it. You can't just work with it. So there isn't enough processor. So I hope this one have, as they claim, it's for video creators, and it's a laptop for creators which can do project in 3D, which can do different animation, which do illustrations and different stuff. So I hope it is the right choice. Shouldn't be the wrong one, definitely, as it paid €2,000 for it. So it's cost me €2,080. So if I will have a chance to get that VAT back, so that's gonna be maybe €300 less, but till that moment I pay over 2,000 on it, so should be worth. First, HDD upgrade cable. So in a box with the charger, we've got this letter here. It says HDD upgrade cable. Let's see. Hi. So my brother just came and guest, so I'm gonna finish that video first anyway. Oh, cardboard. Okay. Again, as you see, it's sealed. And let's see what's inside. It's a black version, unfortunately. I claim to order the white one, and they say again they don't have 5 whites and blah blah blah. So then I just choose the any color was available, and that's it. Because I was a little bit on pressure, have to make some videos ready, like a project. So just a little bit pressure on my shoulders now. All right. As you see, I open the box. So inside. Ooh. Right, guys. See there. So we have a piece there to grab. Some book inside. This one. Alright. So wow, I'm impressed. So heavy, lads. Wow, it's so nice, the design, lads. See how, alright. It's unbelievable quality. It's like metal, probably it's aluminium. It's no plastic there. So nice. We'll see how it's going. Okay, have a look at the battery first. You can't take the battery out from this laptop. It's kind of joke me. First laptop which I see, I can't reach the battery from down there. As you see, I do like that maybe. Yeah, it's better light here. Yeah, it's nice. You can easily open that with one finger. The slides work very good. It's heavy. It's pretty heavy, lads. I didn't expect will be that heavy, but I have a Alienware M17 R3, so that one is nearly 7 kilos. So yeah, definitely this one is much lighter, as it's not a gaming PC. But the performance in this and an Alienware, I'd say it's close similar. But the Alienware, it's my wife's PC, so I can't use it for video editing and all that stuff. So we're gonna power it up first. Yeah, just gonna tidy up a little bit here first, and then I'm gonna take the camera and show you what it shows me on the screen as I turn it on first time.
Okay, so this, I'm gonna keep them anyway, have to look in all of them. Should be good information here anyway. Then we'll just, this is gonna go in the box,